I'm trying to find luggages. Someone said around here. Oh, furniture cover. Nope. Take a look at that after. Where the hell am I walking? Where's the luggages? These people will not get my money. I asked the Indian lady, and she just ignored me. Place too crummy. What in the world? Look at me, I look so skin out, but I'm wearing shorts under. I don't know if you guys can see. But I'm on Eglinton right now. I need to go get a luggage from over there, flea market. But right now I'm gonna go Dollarama because I need to get a few things. And ting and ting. The mango frozen lemonade from Tim Horton, very good. Oh, Jesus, one little piece of pumpkin for what? $3.49? Oh no, that's a green one. Look at this. For the people them who can't cook. Your goat is already seasoned. I'm not trusty. Good for there, right there.
You can understand what she's saying?
You have more than one phone, right?
Huh?
You have more than one phone?
No, just one. But I do my vlogging on this. No. Bird Shack. No, so them place you have to walk with feet. Good morning, vlog. How are you doing? It is Krisey coming back to you again with another video. If you see me looking here, my bad. I'm actually supposed to look here, but I'm here in Jamaica. Kiss me, baby. At my Airbnb. It's nice. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. So this is the Airbnb. Sorry if it looks kind of messy right now. I made myself home-ish. I should have done this yesterday, a walkthrough yesterday, but this is the shower. Don't mind my undies. I had to wash them. Girl, I have to stay clean. And then this is the washer and dryer. And then a closet. This is the bed, a big bed for ramping. And then you have the fridge, you have a stove, you have a little balcony. Yeah. And then the door. Oh, now it's gonna be sunny. It's supposed to rain today. That's the backyard. This is a path. And then it's gated. So when I'm out, I'll show you guys where I'm at. And yeah. Today's agenda. What I plan on doing, I'm waiting for my cousin to get here so we can go out. And then I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm looking kind of, I don't know why I look oily. I got my eyebrows tinted the other day. For some reason, the tinting, it's good. However, look. It's not staying, and she did it darker, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna turn on the camera back. Okay guys, I'm in a rich people area. People have them houses, and you know, it's nice. I'm walking on the road, but I was told to walk on the left side of the road so I don't get hit. I was walking on that side before, but it got scary. So I'm at Witter Village. I'm eating a cheese patty and a water. I'm just waiting for my cousin to come. People, imagine this. Me come all the way from foreign for barbecue chicken KFC. And them run out. So we have to settle with spicy. Does it look like I traveled from Canada to here for spicy chicken?
Does it get spicy? Yes, people always doesn't mean look high. Like I have a naturally high. Which you're used to me.
People, does she look high?
I'm in a smoke. Hey girl, you wanna come on? I just
So about 1,340 for a big deal now. Barrel just come and just double all the prices. Oh, barbecue chicken.
yeah, do it.
Father God, Jah guide. Jah guide. We don't know which part we there. We just a walk. We don't know what kind of Timbuktu lounge we're going to. Nossa! What is this? Oh. You go on. Girl. It smells rank, man. No, sir. What? No. Then I just can't. You know what? You're good. I'm gonna go inside. Alright, let's come back.